Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the family by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad that you come back and show some love. So if you want to know more about this unit that I'm wearing, how about you keep watching?
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
So the wig we're reviewing today is on this lovely unit that you see, and it's the NEESHA lace front 210, and then I have it in the color DRFF red velvet, and it has a HD transparent lace. It's pre-plucked and it's heat safe up to 400 degrees. You know, the NEESHA collection from Outre is very popular. It has a very natural, like a yaki textured unit, and on the back is all the colors that it comes in. And if you look, it has all the different NEESHA in this collection. I have reviewed quite a few NEESHA on my channel, so make sure you check those videos out. But it says it's pre-plucked. Pre-plucks wear Outre. Like, you saw the lace, like there's nothing for it to be pre-plucked. Their hairline is very dense, like it has a very dense hairline. There is nothing pre-plucked about it, you know. Regardless, it's a nice unit, but don't say it's pre-plucked when it's not. The parting space is very nice. I love the parting space. You know, I had to use a little bit of heat on the top just to lay it down because I felt like it was a little poofy. It was a little, like, has a little humpish thing going on. So I just used a little bit of heat, and then I combed the curls out because I didn't like how it was just like tightly curled. I didn't like that, so I definitely combed it out, and I like how she's looking. It's very nice and full. This hair, it is not for summer, you know. She looks cute. She looks really cute, but it's not for summer because it's a lot of hair, okay? But for price, I got this from Wig Types for $41. If you want natural colors and whatnot, it's like $39 and some change. But if you want like the specialty color, you have to pay a $2 upcharge, at least on Wig Types. You know, and for cap construction, it comes with a very big cap construction, 2 combs in the front, one comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. You know, nothing bad, nothing special, but I like the length. I'm getting few strands of shedding, and I feel like that's on my part because I might have cut a little bit too far into the hair. So yeah, it comes with baby hair. On the stock car, the model she used the baby hair, but I feel like with this unit you don't have to use the baby hair. See, I didn't use the baby hair. I just like comb the baby hair into it. And yeah, I am loving it. I like this color. I don't have anything negative besides me complaining about it, about the stock top being saying it's pre-plucked when there's not much lace for it to be plucked, because the hairline does not look pre-plucked. Okay, but other than that, I like the length. It's 20 inch. It's not bad. Winter, fall, especially in the state that I live in, this unit would come in handy because it starts getting cold real fast, and I'm gonna need all the protection I can get in this. This unit will definitely keep me warm. Okay, but I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she's looking like all around. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think about NEESHA 210. Let's talk about it in the comment section, and make sure you follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Love Your Crowns, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.